In level 2, what you're going to do is basically substitute in values for different variables and evaluate. So number 3 says the volume of a cylinder can be found by multiplying the area of the base by the height. If the formula is V equals pi r squared, determine the volume. So if we're taking a look here, okay, the height is going to be 12. 3 will be the radius. So you're going to substitute in, pi is a number, and then you're going to put in 3 for the r, so 3 squared, remember, whoops, squared, not cubed, come on. Okay, squared, remember, put in parentheses whenever you substitute a number, and then 12 for the height. And now we're just going to simplify this. So if it asks for it in exact form, I'm going to leave pi in my answer because I don't want a decimal. So I'm going to square the 3, and now I'm going to multiply the 9 times the 12, which will be 108. And I'm going to put the pi at the end, just like we put variables at the end. Your pi should go at the end of your number. And then if it asks for approximate or asks for you to round it, that's when you take 108 times pi. And you'll find the pi button on that caret key we talked about in level 1s. It's a button above the division sign, but you have to hit your second button before you hit that one. So 108 pi will equal about 339.29. Okay? And units for volume will be cubed. So this should be centimeters cubed. Okay? Number 4, it says Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in 1969. While on the surface, he decided to throw a rock into the air. The height of the rock in feet is given by the equation h of t equals 2.7 t squared minus 3t minus 7, where t stands for the amount of time passed. That's very important. Okay, find the height after 3.2 seconds have passed. Well, if t stands for seconds and it's after 3.2 seconds, that's what I'm going to substitute in for t. So remember that this is just function notation. This is height in regards to time. So I'm going to leave that, and that's what I'm going to solve for. So 3.2 squared minus 3 times 3.2 minus 7. So now you got, put this in your calculator, 2.7 parentheses 3.2 squared, and then I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to do this all separately, 27.648, and then 3 times 3.2 minus 9.6, and then minus 7. Now I'm going to put this all together, 27.648 minus 9.6 minus 7 will get you 11.048. That means that the height after 3.2 seconds of this rock is going to be 11.48 feet.